Hello there, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. My name is Palina and it's a back to school season again, so today let's do a get ready with me back to school makeup edition. When it comes to school makeup, I want to look like I'm naturally enhanced without looking like I'm wearing makeup at all. It also have to be really quick and easy because you don't have much time in the morning. I also try my best to only use drugstore makeup products. So let's get started. First step is very important to moisturize your skin. I already moisturized mine. I use the CeraVe moisturizer. So this is a very nice drugstore moisturizer. It looks like this. Remember to moisturize your skin. To start off with the makeup, I will use a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm already halfway through. This is a very nice concealer. So I like to put that on places where I have like red spots, blemishes, pimples, all that stuff. Blend it out with a sponge. You can use your fingertips if you want to. And if you're looking for a nice drugstore makeup sponge, the Real Techniques ones are pretty nice. What I really like about using concealer and no foundation is, first of all, you save a lot of time and you get a really nice natural finish. It looks like I covered up my blemishes, pimples, redness without looking like I'm wearing makeup at all. I used to hate the darkness under my eyes a lot. They're just naturally there. It's not that I don't get enough sleep or anything. I used to cover it up with a lot of concealer because I really didn't like it. But now I realize it's make the contour of my eyes look much more natural. If I really covered up all the darkness, then my face would look this big. Moving on, I love to fill in my eyebrows no matter I'm wearing makeup or not. This is the E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. It's only $3 US. It's very affordable and easy to use. Does the job. I like to fill in my natural brow shape, like this. I also like to bring a little arch in my eyebrows. I don't like straight and flat eyebrows, but it depends on your preference and on your facial features. I have a lot of eyebrow hairs and I really enjoy that bushy, thick look. Moving on, I love to use a cream blush because they're super easy to work with, super easy to blend, gives me a really nice flush of color. And I'm going to use a Nudestix Puppy Girl blush. I'm sorry, but I don't have a drugstore blush. I searched all around in my collection, but I don't have a drugstore blush. It comes with a brush on the other side. This is taking too much time, I'll just use my fingers. Much faster. I like to go over my nose as well for artificial sunburn. I was never really into blush until last year. Now I realize blush makes me look cuter and girlier. If your skin is oily, you can set it with some powder so it doesn't look like you have a whole pool of oil on your forehead. Next, I will use this Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline. I actually bought this because of a back to school makeup video I watched years ago. So I will tap with my finger on the stick like this. It gives a super natural luminous finish. My shaky fingers. I like to put it on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the inner corners. What I like about this is that it gives a really natural glow without looking shimmery or glittery at all. On the high points, even though my cheeks are flat. If you don't know where the high points of your cheeks are like I do, then just do this and see where the light naturally hits, and then you put highlighter on it. And finally, for lips, I like to use either a tinted lip balm or a lip gloss. The Maybelline Baby Lips is really good because they have different scents, different flavors, different colors. They bring a little bit tint onto your lips and moisturize your lips. Today I will go with a lip gloss. This is a Colourpop Luxe Gloss, and as you can see, it's pretty much scratched off. It's a very pretty peachy nude color. I love lip glosses. And this is the finished makeup. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this Victoria's Secret Urban Bouquet spray. I really like body sprays. Now I smell like flowers. Before you go, let me teach you guys a ponytail trick I learned. So when you have your ponytail like this, take your half of your hair up. And then take a clip like this and place it here. And then let your hair down. And now it's gonna look like you have a lot of hair. Make my ponytail look much more voluminous. And this is the finished look. I definitely look glowier and naturally prettier than before without looking like I'm wearing makeup. The only thing you can tell is probably that I'm wearing lip gloss. But if you stay far away, you won't be able to tell that I'm wearing makeup or lip gloss at all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hope it was helpful. If you think the routine took too much time, you can save the steps you find unnecessary. But I really enjoyed the look. I look nicer than before. I smell really nice and I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you are. Have fun at school. I will see you in the next one. Bye!